everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. We are going to move the porch plants to the porch today because it is a consistent 60 degrees and above. I didn't really want to move the plants out there if it was below that. We don't have another frost, so we have hit our last frost, but the temperatures could drop maybe down to 40s. But we're gonna get them acclimated back to the porch. I'm gonna be clearing out that whole room, bringing the racks back out there, putting all my lemon plants back out there, and even the big plants that are on the floor in that room. We're gonna get going because there is a lot to do. I have 70 lemon plants this time, so we have to fit them all out there. This is gonna be a fun project, so let's go. As we walk into this mobile home bedroom, these are the racks we're gonna be bringing out, as well as that rack. We're also gonna be bringing out all of these pots right here, the dragon fruit plants, and the lemon plants that are on there. Eventually, all of this is going to be put outside, and I'll close all this down. Then I'll have all this extra room for storage. I can clean up this whole big area right here. Everything will be outside. I'll be able to water with the hose. I'm going to move this rack first since it's empty. We'll probably move that rack second. And then I'll be taking the plants off of here, transferring them to the ones outside, and then eventually all of them will be out there. We do also have this little white rack in the middle. That went out there last year too, as well as these two iron wrought, they're like plant stands, but I put boards on them and then put this planter on them. These are my mango plants. Those will probably also go outside. I brought another one out. I also brought this little one out. I'll put the third wooden one in between here. I might put the potted plants here. I'm making some progress in this room. I'm gonna start taking these plants off and putting them on the racks outside, which will free up this rack to be able to bring outside, and then I can bring out the rest of these. I'm just gonna have to do this one by one or two by two because I don't really have anything else to carry them in. This one's supposed to be mine. I might keep a different one. I might be able to take 3. No, because then I won't be able to open the door. Constant back and forth with all these plants. Okay, brought out the last rack. I might put this white rack in the middle of one of these just to give this area right here a little bit of... Let's do that. And then I might put some of the bigger pots right here. Or I can move this a little bit over. Put a couple of big pots in here. Maybe move these two together. for now, because I don't have a sitting area right there, I'll probably be putting the potted plants right there, but also in this front area. So that's what I'm going to do. I guess I can start with this one. This one is, I believe, a kiwi plant. I'm going to put this in the corner. Those I'll have to plant still. Now, some of these lemon plants, I'll have to move the bottom ones first. And then these ones all have a tray that I could bring out with it. These all have a tray I could bring out with it. So I'm gonna bring out the big ones first. I'll probably end up putting 2 of those on each of the shelves, just because I'm gonna run out of shelves, and I might put one whole rack, all the baby ones. We'll see what happens when I get out there. There are 39 big plants in the bigger pots on all of these. I do have all the baby ones to bring out, so what we're going to be doing is putting a couple baby ones on every single shelf, just so they're spread out. And those are in trays, so they'll be a lot easier to bring out here. I did have to double up on a couple of these, so 3 different ones I had to double up because I ran out of shelf room. But then that made me decide that every space that's on the shelves can be for the baby ones. These trays are sturdier, so I'm gonna grab this with 2 hands and bring that out. There's also that tray, so those are the only 2 trays that are gonna have to go on the shelves with the other plants, so I think we'll definitely have enough room. Alright, 2 died, so they were way back in the grow room tents and they didn't make it, so we've got all of our plants on the racks. Brought out most of the smaller pots that weren't lemons. Put this one in the corner. I'm going to bring the 2 dragon fruit out now. Those are going to go right there. And then that long one, I might move these 3 over here and put that long one in the middle right there. I did end up putting this one on top because I didn't want it on the ground. And I could put something in the corner over there. Maybe I'll put that up there once I up pot it, because that is going to be a bigger tree. Got my mango out there, 2 peppers, a red pepper and a poblano pepper, and I just brought those out just because I do have some in the garden, but I want to see how they're going to do in pots, and I want to be able to bring them in over the winter. And then I've got some aloe vera and some alyssum right there. Imagine these dragon fruit trees being harder to bring in. So I might need a dolly to bring them in as they get bigger, because I'm going to be adding a lot more sticks and trellises just to be able to hold it upright. I got them when they were just little bitty nubs, and they're just growing beautifully because I was able to bring them in over the winter, and then I bring them out for the entire spring, summer, and fall season. They're actually getting really, really big. And I'll take some zip ties and put them up on the stakes. This one too is growing all the way up. Very nice. Okay, I moved these three over here in that, and then I brought out the two plant stands with the two extra boards. I'm going to put the indoor herbs on top of these two boards, but I'm going to leave some space over here for the other mango plants. Or I could put the indoor herbs in the middle and use both ends for the mango plants. I'm going to be fastening these shelving units to the fence just because high winds would take them down. So I'm going to be just putting them, tying them here. If some of the plants fall down, it's okay. They're just plants. Good to go. So here's our porch plants. Got 2 mangoes on each side with some thyme, green onion, and basil. Got a red pepper, a poblano pepper, pomegranate plant, about 70 lemon plants, aloe vera, alyssum, mango, pussy willow, 2 dragon fruit, and a kiwi, and a Charlie. That was bringing out the porch plants. So last year we did that video about bringing in the porch plants. Quite honestly, I think that was a little bit easier than it was to bring all of these plants out because I have more this year. But I'm glad that I do not have to maintain that grow room in the mobile home as much as I was. I can let the outdoor weather take care of it, whether that means watering the plants more with the rains or even the sun that provides the heat and the light, so that I could turn off a lot of my heat mats and my heat lights. I do have one whole tent still up and open. I've got some tomato plants growing and a few other plants that I have to plant, but soon that whole room will be cleaned up, and then come the winter we're going to do it all over again and bring all of these porch plants right back inside so that they can last over the winter. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Damn it. That was bringing in, don't put that.